Here's a quick recap of today's price action. So coming into the day, I'm leaning pretty bullish here, or not necessarily bullish, but I don't really want to short. We are inside of a 2-hour bullish or value gap. We have an intermediate term low below, and we're just overall super bullish high time frame with all-time highs price action. With that being said, market open really just absolutely melts towards DOLs below, so now I'm just not bullish. We have DOLs below that I want to be targeting, therefore that's all I'm looking for. With that being said, my DOL ended up being this 4-hour unmitigated gap, so all I was really looking for was a retrace into some sort of gap above to look for the continuation lower. Now, as you can see, we do get a retrace into these 5-minute gaps above, but the reason I wasn't really looking for a short here is because we were going to have a 15-minute unmitigated at my stop loss. Therefore, I still wanted to wait for this to get mitigated to look for the continuation short to these DOLs. And as you can see, that's exactly what ends up happening. We get manipulation inside of this 15-minute gap where ES is also in a spot of distribution. From here, I really wanted to be looking for an inversion on this leg of price action. As you can see, there was really just no gap to look for an entry model here. So unfortunately, I was not able to take a position here. You can then see that what we are presented with is a SMT right here where ES ends up re-sweeping, and then we put in the bearish SMT. NQ is now barely disrespecting a 5-minute. I don't think this holds that much significance. Because we are also holding a 3-minute bearish here. As you can see, we then get a 1-minute short. I think that by far this was trade of the day. Just, we have resting sell side below. We have the 4-hour unmitigated. As you can see, this does end up running too. What would have been take profit, I did not take this. I was not confident in taking this with heavy size. I tried to take it just for a winning day, but I messed up risk, and it's hard to explain what happened. Wasn't even able to get a winning day, but it is what it is. By far, trade of the day right here. I do think that it was kind of just a weird leg of price action. Hopefully you guys took this. I unfortunately was not able to capitalize off of it, but it is what it is. On to the next day. I'm not very mad about it. So I hope you guys learned something from this video. Hopefully you took this setup. If not, I also did not. I don't think it's the biggest deal. It wasn't necessarily one of those setups where it's a massive problem if you faded it. But hope you guys learned something from the video, and drop a comment below and let me know how your trading day was.